Hi there everyone, welcome to this tutorial for 26 Miles or Santa Catalina as recorded by the Four Preps. Now this video is going to be posted both on the Uke Stuff channel and on the Uke Playalongs channel, as YouTube has recently allowed for the monetization of the Uke Playalongs channel. Not on songs that are copyrighted, however other content can be monetized. And the purpose of these videos originally was to answer the question, what's the strumming pattern? Because people have always asked that question, and I intentionally leave that information out in the play along videos so that you can play the pattern you want to. What we're going to do in this video is first of all look at the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele, then we'll look at the chords you need for DGBE baritone ukulele, and then we'll talk about strumming. Additionally, if you want to jump ahead to parts of this video that matter to you, you can do that through the index at the bottom, and the chord chart or tabs are available on my website at ukestuff.info for free. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. You can like the video, you can subscribe to the channel, or you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is the Legato Professional Performance Ukulele 23-inch. First chord you'll need is the C chord, then the A minor chord, then the D minor chord. The D minor chord is an F chord with an extra finger on it, a G7 chord, the C7 chord, and then the D7, or what we call the Hawaiian D7 chord. And those are the 6 chords you need to play 26 miles on soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone. For baritone, I'll be using this instrument. This is my Tom concert ukulele, but it has Pepe Romero baby baritone strings on it, so it can be tuned like a baritone ukulele. The first chord you'll need is the C chord, then the A minor chord, then the D minor chord. And what I do is I plant my first finger on the first string, first fret, second finger goes to the third string, second fret, and then the third finger goes to second string, third fret. Then the G7 chord, then a C7 chord. And if you haven't played the C7 chord a lot, the first thing I do is I play the C chord, then I add 2 more fingers on the bottom. So C chord, 2 extra fingers, and then the D7 chord. And those are the 6 chords you need to play 26 miles on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. Now as it comes to strumming, there are only 3 rules. First of all, play the right chord at the right time. Second, you want to keep a steady beat. And third and finally, choose a strumming pattern that matches the style of the song. As long as you have those 3 things, it's all good. However, again, because the number one question is what's the strumming pattern, I will give you an idea of a strumming pattern you can use. And the strumming pattern is going to be simply this. It's going to be down, down, up, down, down, up. And it's a swung pattern, which means instead of playing straight Ace, you play swung Ace. So instead of going toddy, 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 or T, 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 or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, you actually sort of make it a triplet, and you go 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. And the answer for me here is down, down, up, down, down, up. Let's play it first on soprano, concert, or tenor GCEA tuning. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Works pretty well. Now let's take a look at that on baritone DGBE tuning. All right, here we go on baritone. One more time. Now just a couple notes that will work for either GC or DGB. First of all, please notice that my wrist never stops in that motion. So even though I'm going down, down, up, down, down, up, my hand doesn't look any different as I'm playing. I'm just hitting the strings as I'm going up or down. The action is in the wrist, and then I'm playing where the body meets the neck rather than above the sound hole or something like that. So that gives me good control, and I'm pointing at the floor, I'm pointing at me as I'm playing, and that's the whole secret to strumming. All right, so with those chords and those strumming patterns, that's all you need to do to be successful on 26 miles Santa Catalina as recorded by the Four Preps. Thanks for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.